Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Ray-Ban META Wayfarer glasses not charging in a case. So first, what we want to do is we want to grab a soft glove, and it can be any type of a soft glove. I would recommend using a normal one. And now what are we going to do is, of course, just clean the charging contacts that are in the case. And they are right here. Now make sure to not damage any pins. So let me just quickly get over them so that they actually clean it, but they won't destroy anything. Same goes for both of the sides. And now what we want to do is we want to simply go over and clean the contacts on your glasses. So they are right here. Now we can easily go and clean them with a soft cloth like that. Make sure to do that carefully, and once you do that, you want to simply go over and we're gonna put them back inside of the case. We want to ensure that it is either green or orange depending on how much of a percentage your case has. Then we want to make sure that whenever we plug it in, it works properly so that it charges. We want to confirm the behavior of the LED. It's USB-C, so we're going to just plug it in, and as you guys can see, it is blue, and we see in the app that both of the things are charging except for the glasses that are on 100%. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.